Chief of Defence General Bipin Rawat was born in Uttarakhand. His father, Lakshman Singh Rawat, served the Indian Army and served on the degree of Lieutenant General. His mother was the daughter of an ex-MLA from Uttarakhand's Uttarakashi. General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat survived two girls named Kritika Rawat and Tarini Rawat. He received his formal education at Cambrian Hall School in Dehradun, at St. Edward's School in Shimla, and later joined the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, where he was honored with the Sword Honorary. He also graduated from Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and the Senior Command Course of the United States Army Staff and Command College, Fort Lew North, Kansas. It also wore an M.Philosophy degree in Defence Science and Diploma in Administration and Computer Science from Madras University. He was honored with the PhD in Philosophy from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut, for his research in strategic studies of military resources. On December 16, 1978, CDS Bipin Rawat was assigned to the 5th Battalion of the 11th Gorkha Rifles, the same unit as his father Lakshman Singh Rawat. He had spent 10 years in counter-insurgency operations and has served in various majors to current CDS. While in the post of Major, CDS Bipin Rawat commanded a company in Uri, Jammu and Kashmir. He commanded his battalion along the LAC at Kibithu as a colonel. After being promoted to the rank of brigadier, he commanded Sector 5 of the Rashtriya Rifles in Sopore and the Multinational Brigade during a Chapter 7 mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where he was twice awarded the mention Commendation of the Force Commander. Bipin Rawat assumed the role of Commanding General of the 19th Infantry Division in Uri when he was promoted to the rank of Major General. As a Lieutenant General, he commands the 3 Corps based in Dimapur before taking command of the Southern Army in Pune. After being promoted to the rank of Army Commander, he assumed the post of Commander General of Southern Command. Soon after, he was promoted to the post of Deputy Chief of Staff of the Army. Was appointed 27th Chief of Staff of the Army by the Government of India on December 17, 2016 and took office on December 31, 2016. He was also the 57th and final chairman of the Heads of State Committee Major of the Indian Army. Appointed first CDS on December 30, 2019 and took office on January 1, 2020. Rawat also played a key role in the formation of the army. He was instrumental in restructuring the military to reduce administrative interference, reduce duplicity, and increase combat potential. He also ensured that the man behind the car remained important, arming new assault rifles bought in the United States. He also played a vital role in the modernization of the army. However, his tenure was also marked by controversy. Under his tenure, the military accepted the government's decision to impose the disability pension, angering disabled veterans by the military fraternity. The Chief of Defence of the Indian Armed Forces has been declared dead by the Indian Air Force on 8 December 2021. He was aboard the IAF Mi-175 V5 helicopter which crashed near Kannur, Tamil Nadu. Thanks for watching this video.